Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video, I will teach you guys on how to delete your email messages. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you're new to my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share. Please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. I am here in my Gmail account. So if we want to delete email messages, let's say we will select this one, and this one. Just check the text box here and then go to the garbage icon and click delete. Okay, you can undo also, no? So that's easy. Okay, we select another set of email. Okay, and then click the delete icon here. Another one, click delete. Okay guys, so that's it. Now that's a very easy way to delete email messages in Gmail or Yahoo or whatever your email client that you are using. Thank you so much for watching. If you have some questions, clarification, or comments, kindly leave in the comment section of this video. Thank you so much again for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys if you are new by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.